Straight roast fish. Yeah. Soup in a pot, everything sort out. Jamaican style is it. Yep. See it there?
Yeah man, I will make them know say a vineyard town, so me I say swim around corner. No I think go okra.
See it there?
No I think go straight. Else what me I tell you say? Yo. Yeah? Come on, say with it, man.
Thing well up. Roast fish and thing.
Come on, say with it.
Super bubble. That man see it there?
Yeah. And the fish tea this, you know.
Well, I
Well, I tell, well, papina to swim around, so the okra and pepper there.
yeah, man, you mean. Big up the rest for the corner, straight in a vineyard town.
Straight in a vineyard town, Kingston, Jamaica.
What you mean? Up with G.
Yes,
And see the sea roast fish them, thing well life. Don't know.
Come outside, I don't see what I go on again.
Yeah, man.
I will go, sir, it's an okra slime.
I mean,
Up to the time, okra slime.
see that? Some people are this and miss. You get me?
Up to the time.
Can't last. Near to the police station in a vineyard town, straight on the road there. Thing well up. Roast fish and thing.
Thing well up there.